So this video is to show you how to wash and the washing machine, because everything is in German. So if you open it on the left side, you have the main program here. You can put soap. This is what you use if you want pre-wash, and this is to make it soft. So when you choose the program here, you can see you have 20 degrees on cotton, or 40, or economic, or with pre-wash, 60 degrees, 60 economy. Here you have, if you want a very short, quick on 30 minutes or 15 to 30 minutes, 40 degrees, fast. So here's wool. So this all stuff is, if this is not like cotton, but if you check first if the water is open, otherwise it will not work. And then I will put the program on short time. It will indicate how long it takes. This is 30 minutes. So then here you press the button for start. Now it will go. So you see already the water is going. And then the tumbler is on the right side, also here for cotton and fast. This is like almost, it's enough to put it in a cupboard. This is if you want to iron, if you have clothes outdoor, or here if you have towels, or if you have a mix. It's only a short program, 30 minutes warm, then you have 30 minutes cold, and here you have wool, here you have shirts if you want to iron them, and here it's enough to put it in the cupboard. And here's just open the door. You can check if you want the filter, but normally by the cleaning we will check this too. Close the door, choose your program, wait a little bit. Here you see the time it will take. Press on the button. Here the machine is going.